Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. Today I've got a healthy slice, Rice Krispie bars. If you've got children or you want to be healthy, here's a little healthy slice made from 4 ingredients. We've got Rice Krispies, sesame seeds, peanut butter, and a sweetener. I'm using agave sweetener. So if you want to come and see how to make my healthy rice bar slice, come with me and let's see. We've got our ingredients: Rice Krispies, rice bubbles, puffed rice, whatever your country calls them. 2 cups here. We've got half a cup of alternative sweetener. I'm using agave nectar today, but you can swap that out for maple syrup, honey, golden syrup, anything like that. I've got a third of a cup of some white sesame seeds and half a cup of peanut butter, but you can use any other kind of nut spread. I'm going to heat up the peanut butter and the syrup to get that all melted. It's a no-bake bar slice, which is perfect for children. So I'll give a little shout out to my friends in Australia. Hi Beck, hi Harry, hi Sophie. Hope you enjoy this slice, which is semi-healthy. Maybe you could make it with your mum. So we're just going to pop in our peanut butter. So as I said before, I've got half a cup of that crunchy peanut butter. This could be a good kid snack for after school. And we'll pop in our syrup. This will just take a few minutes to get all this melted. So I've just got a little wooden spoon here just to help it along a little bit. So while that's just simmering away, let's grab so I've got a large mixing bowl. I'm just going to pop the puffed rice there, and we've got the sesame seeds. If you don't have sesame seeds, you can leave that out. Something else I've done, I've used coconut, like desiccated coconut before, which works really well. And then because this is a no-bake bar slice today, we just need to pop it in the refrigerator to set for about 30 minutes to an hour before we cut it up and give it a little taste. And just a tip, when you go to cut it, you might need to rest it slightly before you cut it. Okay. So we have our, can you see that? That's our peanut butter all melted into our syrup. I'm just going to turn my hob off. I'm just going to pour all of that liquid into my bubbles. So we just need to mix all of this together. It only takes a minute or so for it to come together. Throwing my bubbles around. So there you have it. And we just spread this into our prepared lined tin. And we want to firmly press this into the base of the tin so we can set it and then cut it up into little bars, either squares or rectangles. So we need something to just make it flatten. So I've got a couple of options here just to show you. I've got a potato masher, which I thought if you've got one of those at home, that could work quite well. You can do it with a fork. I've also got a couple of things I use for my baking. I've got these dough kind of big flat spatulas. I'm going to use the metal one just to help it down. My healthy rice bar slice is about to be popped into the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes, and then we'll have a taste. So we're back with our healthy rice bar slice, and it's been in the fridge, so I'm just about to cut it and let's have a taste. Crunchy, peanut buttery, and sesame seed. They're thin slices, so you could even put it in a rectangle tray and make them slightly thicker, or double the quantity if you wanted like a really thick slice. A little bit soft. I may have got it out slightly too early, so it's probably best to pop it in the fridge for an hour at least, or overnight, and then chop it up. But if you've liked my healthy Rice Krispies bar, let me know in the comments below, and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and then as soon as I've done a new video, you'll be notified. And don't forget to hit the bell. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!